9 a.m. the next day. I forgot Dixie had a follow-up vet appointment and my windows need defrosting. It's not a good start. Not a good start. Hello. Hi. How are you doing today? Could I please do a hot 20-ounce vanilla latte breve? So I just completed a bunch of real estate stuff. Everybody wants to see houses right before Christmas. I was debating whether or not to go to the booth today because I need to get my first half of the rent check, and then of course I need to take stuff in, but I still don't have everything priced. Like I have stuff over here that's not priced yet. I have stuff in the garage that's not priced yet. And I think I need to just stay here and organize this front area because it is just not ideal. So the plan, let's just go over the plan. The plan is finish pricing everything that's ready to go to the booth and get some of these boxes out of my parents' way. I'm trying to think what else. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, I want to clean up that big black wardrobe dress cabinet. That way I can get that in, maybe not tomorrow, but at least Wednesday. Because a lot of this small stuff over there too needs something to go in because I sold a big piece yesterday and I need another big piece so I can put some of the stuff in there. That big black cabinet needs to be ready to go first before I can take all these smalls over. It's like project management. You really have to think through every step or else it's just chaos. So like if I was to take all this stuff over today, I would be struggling with finding a place to put it. These are all the packages that I don't believe are Christmas gifts. So we're gonna open those up real fast and see what I got. This was a Facebook Marketplace listing. Wool sweater. Yep, 100% pure wool sweater. So that was a Facebook Marketplace order that I've been waiting on. It's probably been here for a solid week and I just haven't opened the packages yet. Okay, so I think I got this for me, if it fits. Yellow bean, 38% cotton blend. We got some very worn areas like on the shoulder. I want to wear this over t-shirts and not feel guilty if I, get some grease on it or stain it accidentally. Another Facebook Marketplace. These packages have just been kind of building up over the past week, I promise. It's a wool blend, size 10, Carter Club, and it's got some shoulder pads. And it's not super thick either. I don't know if you guys can tell that on camera or not. What is this? I don't know what this is. It's not Facebook Marketplace. Oh, okay, that's someone's Christmas gift. Here's another Facebook Marketplace. Woolrich, button up. It's on the smaller side, but here, I'll show you the tag. Gray blue, and it's got a tree pattern all over it. And whatever they washed it in smells amazing. Facebook Marketplace again. I was gonna do a whole separate video on my current collection and the only thing that I'm currently collecting, which is my Coach bags. And I just don't know if that video is gonna happen before Vlogmas is over. I can't remember if this was Poshmark or if it was Facebook Marketplace, but here it is. Isn't that cute? I don't know if this is Coach. I'm not seeing their classic stamp anywhere. And it says FS there. I'm thinking this is a Fossil bag. I don't know why I thought this was a Coach. Why did I think this was a coach? I don't think it is. I'll have to revisit that listing. It's still very cute. I'll keep it or I'll resell it, but I thought that was a coach. I don't know why I thought that. All right, I was wanting to wear this sweater on Saturday, but it didn't come in time. It is 100% wool, Eddie Bauer sweater. It's a combination of gray and navy, like a buffalo check in a lighter gray. Wow, it's in really great shape. It's a large, so fit a little big on me, but I kind of wear my stuff oversized anyways. May or may not be for me, I'm not sure yet. Last two things I have to open here. This is from Amazon. I ordered some candles that I wanted to use for staging of some of the brass candlesticks in the clear bud vases that I have. I saw a post on Instagram that, oh, who was it by? I'll put it here for you guys to look at. It was kind of like a fall/Halloween decor pick for this poster. I'd never seen anybody use these bud vases that you can find everywhere in this way, like as a candle holder. I was really inspired by it. So I got some black candles from Amazon. Here, let me get one of the vases. It's hard to, there you go, kind of. So I picked up some candles just for staging off of Amazon, and I got some white ones too. Now, what is this? It came in sooner than I thought it would. Sorry. I'm dying. Boom. Isn't that nice? Some of you guys saw me struggling a little bit with my staple gun the other day, and someone left a very thoughtful comment advising me on what to do to fix it. I will definitely try that because I still want to have it working, but I have been wanting to get a narrow head stapler for a while. This is going to be so much better for those tight spaces on some of the pieces that I do. So I just went ahead and took the opportunity and ordered this one off of Amazon. That is surprising. I was not expecting that so quickly. I need to get back to work. I pretty much have everything cleaned up. Now I can think a little more clearly. It was really stressing me out. Mike came and rescued me.
From what? I don't know what's happening.
From a stressful day. It sucks because you look back on it and you're just like, but what did I do? But I know I was stressed.
The moment everything got done, you were not stressed, right?
Well, I'm not done, but the moment a few things were taken off my plate, then yeah, I was less stressed. So we're heading to Lowe's, right? That's where we're going. And you're getting a gift. And I'm getting...
Breaker bar.
Hopefully your dad doesn't watch my YouTube. What are the chances that your dad watches my YouTube channel?
Maybe 30% chance.
This is a wrong turn.
I keep turning this way. No, that's a lie. I want, and now go forward. I want to prove everyone that this isn't the wrong turn. And I prove that it's faster, actually.
No, it's not.
Yes, we both
faster.
have left her house and gone this way. And
then you must have been going 50 through the neighborhood. I'm sure old ladies and children were jumping out of the way of your moving vehicle.
I didn't make it either.
Anyways, so Lowe's, you need to get stuff, I need to get stuff, and I feel like we could get wrapping paper while we're there.
Yeah, do you want to wrap my presents?
You're gonna wrap your presents, but I need to wrap my present.
I'm stressed now. I wasn't stressed.
Don't stress.
Is your dad gonna buy a Ring camera though?
Might have run into a little bit of a hiccup. So what I need is just a box of 2 fuel cells. They're on the shorter side. That's about the size they normally come in. And all I can find is this big one. I don't think that's gonna fit my nail gun. Yeah, so they're out. But I still need some other things. So this trip was not in vain unless they're out of everything that I need. I don't think they are though. Let's go see if I can find the casters I'm looking for. Casters. What I want the casters for is the piece that I was cleaning last night. Now it has that black kind of lift base around the bottom and it's a little too damaged, but I still want to give it the height that it has. It's already not very tall, so I don't want to lose any more of that. I figured the best solution was to put it on wheels. That way somebody can move it around too if they'd like. It's like my go-to solution for raising a piece up is putting it on wheels, especially anything that you want to turn into a bar but it's just a little too short. Put it on wheels. I'm leaning towards these. They come in a pack of 2. So I'm putting the wheels on that piece that we picked up from auction the other day. I'm going to take that black skirt that it has off, but I don't want to lose the height And so I'm worried that these are like too short, but I like the look of them the best. There's other options. I think that, oh my gosh. I can't believe I didn't see these.
There's a whole box.
Oh my gosh. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Vintage decorative swivel caster with a brake. What else do we need? Wrapping paper.
That's the wire we need to upgrade to a 200 amp service.
And we got 4 of these. Yes, ma'am.
So nobody's heard of gift receipts except me.
No, I've heard of gift receipts before. You're not hungry?
No.
So they didn't have the canned air and they didn't have the fuel cartridges that I needed. I feel like we're missing something else too.
Wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper. We need wrapping paper. It's way later again. I've been pricing for hours. I really didn't think I had that much more pricing, but I did. Way more than I expected. So all of that is priced and done. All of the smalls are priced and done. All of this over here is also priced and ready to go to the booth. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to work on any of the furniture pieces that I wanted to today, and we'll kind of just have to see where the day takes us tomorrow. I'm going to end Vlogmas day 21 here and edit this video. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
As long as my gift fits in the box, it works.
I think that's a little misleading.
I mean, would my gift fit in that box? And could I wrap it and give it to someone successful?
Okay, but one thing of, I almost said toilet paper. One thing of wrapping paper would have covered one of those boxes. It wasn't cost effective, and we have a bunch of boxes that you could use.